Finally, I would like to request our guest of honor, Professor Sanjeev Mittal, Dean, University School of Management Studies, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, to share his valuable insights on the topic today.
Good morning to all of you. The dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Nand Kishorji, Chairman of Maharaja Agrasen Institute, the patron of the institute, Mr. Goel, my colleagues from the teaching fraternity, Professor C.A. Sharma, Director of this institute, and other dignitaries on the dais, faculty members sitting in front, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, I am really very happy to come out over here to share some of my experiences. Whenever this topic of marketing comes, it is very dear to my heart. And I am always tempted to speak something in the area of marketing. Friends, over a period of years, 34 years of teaching experience, I have imbibed marketing in my blood. And as a result of that, marketing keeps on coming whenever I am trying to share any type of a forum out over here. Now at the outset, friends, I will just like to say before I begin that your program has been well marketed. I could see there are 7 sponsors. So I think the people who are really organizing this program has really marketed the Marketing Summit 2015. Congratulations to the institute. Very difficult to get sponsors these days. People say their business is not moving. And for that particular reason, in today's competition, hyper competition, 7 sponsors. Very nice. And now the second thing, friends, when I looked in for the topic that was contemporary issues in the area of marketing, I could see this is a very burning topic because Drucker once said, way back 1960s, he said there are only 2 functions of any business. One is innovation and second is what? Marketing. Friends, if you look in for any type of a business, every other function in business is cost. It is only marketing which brings revenue to the business. Every business, if you look in for, they are always looking in for what? The marketing people, because the revenue in the business is only through what? Through marketing. This word marketing is a very important word, friends. What exactly is marketing? I normally decode is at what? Mar and cart. Marketing. Market, marna or katna. What we have to do in this field of marketing, friends, that we really have to what? Kill our enemies, our competitors. And we only have to love our customers because there is a battlefield. Like we have battlefield outside, we have battlefield out over there in the field of marketing also, friends. And this battlefield only and only consists of the marketeers and the competitors. And therefore the only war that is going on within them, we call it as marketing warfare, is nothing. How to win the customers, to have the customer share of mind or called as a market share. And therefore how exactly to defeat our competitors or how to let down our competitors. Very important thing, friends, students sitting out over here for them, that when we talk in terms of marketing and when we talk in terms of warfare, friends, marketing warfares are not won in the battlefield. Marketing warfares are planned out over there on paper. And Napoleon once said that wars are not there in the battlefield, but wars are planned over there on the papers. And this is very important for us because there are only 4 types of marketeers in the market. What are these 4 marketeers? One called as market leaders. For always having what? A higher percentage share. If I say in terms of insurance, LIC is what? Is a market leader. If we talk in terms of automobiles, we say what? Maruti Suzuki is what? Is a market leader. We talk of mobiles nowadays, we talk Samsung is what? Is a market leader. So we have market leaders. Second is what we are talking in terms of called as what? Anybody who can tell me what are the second type of marketeers? We call them as what? Market followers. Who keep on following what? What innovations have been done by the leaders. If Colgate came out with Zen, Hindustan Unilever also came out with a toothpaste Pepsodent gel. So that means they are always trying to follow whom the market leaders. And the third, which we are talking in terms, are called as market challenges. They are nothing but called as the copiers. They keep on copying, they keep on imitating whatever has been done by what the leaders and the followers. And what are the fourth type of marketeers, friend? Tell me. They are called as market niches. What are these niches, friend? And this is what we have to understand today. That if you really have to create a position for yourself in the marketplace, friends, don't try to compete with whom? With the leaders, followers and challengers. Rather, create your own position by innovating something which is required by whom? By the consumers, but there is no other marketeer who could offer it. I give an example of market niche, friends. We talk in terms of air conditioning, but somebody could think in terms of creating air conditioners who can absorb the dust particles from the air, so that those air conditioners are basically being projected on the health platform. People who innovate in this particular manner to create a unique identity for themselves become what? Market niches. I think you are also trying to create your own niche in terms of what, trying to understand how this area, how this field of marketing is what? Growing. I was listening to a number of speakers in the beginning before me, and I was really happy to understand that marketing is really a delivery of standard of living. Things which were luxury has become what? Necessity, thanks to marketing. Whenever a new house is made, friends, the first thing that is put over there in the house is the air conditioners. I come of those times, friends, hardly we were having anything called as what? Water coolers. We were only having fans. But now if you talk in terms of air conditioners, people, they say, sorry, it is a necessity, it is not a luxury. What you talk of this? You talk of automobiles. I used to move on bicycle, friends. Scooter was a luxury because it used to be made available on booking. Cars we could not dream of. Today if you talk in terms of I have got a car, I think people, they say it is a necessity, it's not a luxury. Owning a car does not mean that you are something different. So what I just want to convey out over here is that, friends, anything which becomes affordable in the marketplace is only and only because of what? Marketing. That is why we say marketing is what? Is a delivery of what? Standard of living. Therefore, marketing multiplies our needs. Marketing creates wants. Marketing creates what? Demand. And therefore, there is a need for what? Marketing in every society. And that is why, friends, marketing is being done in every society. Friends, the topic for today's discussion is what? Contemporary issues in marketing. Few things I have jotted down for all of you. Before I begin my presentation, I will just like to say, we really have to learn the ABC of marketing. When we talk of marketing, A is what? Again, three things: affordability, availability, and then what? Accessibility. When we talk of B, we talk of behavior, we talk of brand, we talk of building relationship. When we talk of C, friends, we talk in terms of what? The customer, we talk in terms of culture, we talk of competition. When we talk of D, then we talk in terms of what? Design, delivery, and what? Delightment. When we talk of E, then we talk in terms of what? Tell me. I think these alphabets we have to learn. If there are 26 alphabets, we have what? These much types of what? Marketing. What is E? First E is nothing but what? Understanding the emotion of a customer. What is second E? Understanding the expectations. And what is the third E? Experience. Always try to give what? Positive experience as a marketeer. I just illustrate a very small story. Somebody landed out over there on the Kolkata station out over there. Came out of the station and was looking for an auto, friends. He could see one auto. He just waved the hands. The auto stopped out over there. A person who was driving that auto came out. He was well dressed. There was a number also put on his body. He saluted that particular customer and said, "Yes, sir. Where are you interested to go?" So Victoria Street, that customer said, "Sir, this side." And when the customer went inside, friends, he was really surprised to see that the seat on which he is sitting is having a proper seat covers. And his feet are not on what? The barren body of the auto. There was a cushion out over there. And when the customer sat out over there, the auto driver also sat in the auto, friends, and asked that particular customer, sir, would you like to have a glass of water? And water was offered to him. He could basically relax, friend. Magazine and newspaper was also offered to that particular customer. And the customer reading that newspaper and what magazine reached to his destination, the auto driver said, sir, here is your destination. The customer gave the money, he gave the change and said, thank you, sir. ऑटो चला गया, वो कस्टमर उसको देखता रहा, यही उम्मीद करता रहा कि मैं दोबारा अगर कलकत्ता स्टेशन पे उतरूं तो मुझे यही ऑटो दोबारा मिले. So marketing is all about what, friends? Experiences. And these experiences have to be delivered to whom? To the customer. And that is what we need to understand, how exactly as a marketer we can deliver what value to whom? To the customer. Now with these few words, let us try to understand what is there in this presentation. I'll just take half an hour. I think this may be very long for the students sitting out over here, but try to be with me, friends. Now looking for this particular slide, and if you look in for this slide, what has been shown out over there is very simple. The greatest challenge to marketing in the next decade will be to change fast enough. Friends, marketing has to become what? High tech and high touch. We talk of digital marketing. What we teach marketing today, can you imagine the same marketing can be taught to the students 5 years down the line? Can I teach the same marketing what I am teaching today? I cannot. I have to look in for where is the future. So I have to teach what? Digital marketing to whom? To my students. And friends, therefore it is very important to bring about this change. Otherwise what we are trying to look in for, change is going to take over. So therefore we really have to be connected. And that is what we are talking in terms of marketing in a changing and a connected world is all about when we are talking in terms of future of marketing. Either we take hold of the future or future is going to take hold of us. Invisible market. We used to have physical place, friends, where we used to go out over there and over there we could see the product and therefore used to buy the product. Everything has become virtual now. Thanks to Flipkart, thanks to Snapdeal, thanks to Amazon.com and thanks to many other eBay and many other companies which are only and only trying to market their products online. Invisible market. And customers are really what? The demographics of the customer is changing. There's a new segment which is coming up in the market called as DINKs. What is this DINKs segment? Double income, no kids. And friends, when this market is coming up, their expectations are altogether different. Okay. I have to cut down to 10 to 15 minutes. I have to be fast. I will not go all these things. Yeah. No problems. I think you can just read it out over here. Important things I'll just, what can be marketed? I think our predecessors have already talked in terms of what everything can be marketed. And friends, if you look in for, what is this? Why this picture of dog has been there? I think this is a campaign that is already run by whom? Maneka Gandhi ji. And she's talking in terms of what? Protection of animals, right? जिन चीज़ों को हमें घर में रखना चाहिए उनको हम घर से बाहर निकाल रहे हैं और जिन चीज़ों को घर से बाहर निकालना चाहिए उन चीज़ों को हम घर में रख रहे हैं thanks to marketing. What is this evolving view of marketing, friends? Customer is at the center stage. Everything is done and directed towards whom? Towards the customer. The organization charts are also coming what? Reversing their shape. I remember of a time, friends, when Apollo Tyres CEO asked their general managers that once in a month they have to go out over there in the market and have what? Lunch or dinner with whom? With the truck drivers. Because if you look in for Apollo Tyres, the biggest segment for Apollo Tyres is what? Is the heavy vehicles. And the general managers were very afraid, friends, and very what? Disturbed. साहब इतने समय के बाद जनरल मैनेजर बने हैं और आज आप हमें कह रहे हैं कि आप जाइए मार्केट के अंदर और वहां जाके ट्रक ड्राइवर्स के साथ लंच और डिनर करिए. सर अब तो हमें बोर्ड रूम में बैठने दीजिए. एंड फ्रेंड्स, रौनक सिंह जी said, sorry, marketeers never sit over there in the rooms, they are always there in the field. And when these general managers, they went out over there in the field, friends, and there was a lot of achievement which Apollo Tyres got in terms of what? Every truck driver was very happy that now today we are going to have the general manager with us. Banta Singh, Santa Singh. आज हम जनरल मैनेजर साहब के साथ अपनी वो प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करेंगे जो कभी सॉल्व नहीं हुई. And everybody came out with their problems, and general managers could solve their problems because they are the highest people over there in the organization to take the decision. And there was a very loud noise that was made out over there at the dhapa. Banta Singh, Santa Singh, badal dange, tire laga dange. What? Apollo tire. This is what is marketing, friends. Marketing cannot be taught. Marketing really has to be done. And that is what we have to understand, friends. I think societal marketing concept we have already talked in terms of if society gives you something, you have to give back to whom? To the society. And that is what we are talking in terms of societal marketing. Try always to look in for whatever marketing we do. It has certain type of implications for the society. Let us try to always remain social. A new thing which is coming up, friends, in marketing is nothing but called as relationship marketing. This competition, this hyper competition has really helped us to what? Practice relationship. We go over there to the Lines Fresh stores, and what they are trying to give us is nothing but called as a loyalty card. And what they do in that loyalty card, every time I shop, there are certain points which I earn through that shopping, which are loaded on the loyalty card. And friends, these points can be encashed. So what is marketing, friends? Marketing is to give some value to whom? To the customers. बातों से पेट नहीं भरता, कुछ ना कुछ tangible देना होगा. And that is what has to be given by whom? By the marketeers. We have various programs where a lot of financial benefits are given to the customer. Frequent flyer programs are there. We talk in terms of frequency, club marketing programs are there. We are trying to reward our satisfied customers and many more such type of financial benefits which are there. Nothing is nothing but called as what? We are trying to develop a relationship. And what type of relationship? Tell me. Long-term relationship. And that is very, very important, friends. This is the need for change, friends. And anything which is static is what? Is change. Change has to happen. यह दिल मांगे मोर. ऐसा बोलता है कौन? Customer. And if customer says यह दिल मांगे more, you have to provide that something more to whom? To the customer. This change has to happen. And that is why we say marketing is all about what? Bringing about a lot of innovations. And we talk of creative destruction. What is creative destruction? We innovate something new and destroy what? Our own old product. You look in for anything where the shelf lives are reducing, where the product life cycles are coming down. You talk of mobiles, you talk of laptops, you talk of any other electronic products, friend. We are finding what a lot of revolution is coming out over there in terms of innovation, right? So market is changing, competition is changing, consumer is changing, organization is changing. Marketing has to what? Understand that there is an insurance advisor on his doorstep. And this is what is happening. And thanks to what? Technology. So whenever the customer calls, immediately the message goes to whom? To the insurance advisors who are stationed out over there in the nearby areas, and immediately they rush over there from where the call has been there. And this is how exactly we are in a position to provide any service to a customer in what? Tell me. Nanosecond. And if you can do it, you are really practicing what we are talking in terms of marketing, because then you are trying to provide time utility to whom? To your customer. Talk in terms of hyper competition. Yeah, friends, competition is increasing. And if you're talking in terms of competition, I think your customers are also becoming what? Tell me, the competitors for you. Yeah, customers are really becoming demanding thanks to consumerism and a lot of education, which is Jago, Grahak, Jago. And that has resulted in what? Demanding customers. Only what is required in marketing is to become what? Customer-centric. Very, very important, friends. And customer-centric approach, doing the business the way the customer wants to be done. Very, very important, friends. Now, being close to customers and ahead of whom? The competition. If customer does not want to come closer to us, let us go closer to whom? To the customer. And thanks to what? The spread of the education, the starting of these private institutions, where we are providing a lot of choice to whom? To the customers. Right? If you talk in terms of fan, what is the functional value of a fan? Hawa dena. कस्टमर दूर बैठा था, हवा नहीं आई, नजदीक आ गया तो भी हवा नहीं आई, उसके नीचे बैठ गया तो भी हवा नहीं आई, खड़ा हो गया हवा फिर भी नहीं आई. क्या लटक जाए पंखे से? Where is the functional value? It is not trying to provide the value for which it is meant. So I think that fan is of no use to whom? To the customer. You only have to talk in terms of economical value. And what is that economical value? That we are talking of quality and that too at a reasonable price. And that is what we are talking in terms of economics. And then we talk of psychological value. Customer is not only interested in what? In the fan, he is also looking in for the fan ads, so the status of whom? Of the customer. And that is how exactly you have looked in for how the fans have changed. Fans with lights, which adds value to what? To your drawing rooms. So that customer can boost that yes, he belongs to a higher strata of the society. So and these are the three very important values for the customers they are looking in for. Somebody asked the men, Uncle Ji, and the men went back to his house and there is a ad, there is a saying, एक एक बाल ना काटो. But क्या है? Godrej hair dye का pouch काटो और लगा लो. And I think that is very simple. And we are trying to provide what economical, functional as well as what psychological value. Now nobody will dare to call that person Uncle Ji because now his hairs are not white. They are what purely black. And that is what we are trying to look in for. Advertising or basically when we talk of marketing, it is all trying to provide what value to whom? To the customer. Char boondo wala ujala, tap, 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 tap. Only 4 drops of what? Ujala. This is what we are talking in terms of economical value. What is the functional value? Look in for. Pani mein ghul mil jaye, kapdon ke reshe mein jaye. और कपड़े को दे उज्जवल सफेदी. And when we are talking in terms of what Ujjwal, I think this is what we are talking in terms of the functional value. And what is the psychological, if you look in for, I think it's all mummy dhabba master, sorry, Ujala. And now when we talk of Ujala, nothing called as what? Dhabba. There is no spot. It is purely what? It is a pure white cloth. So I think from here you must have got the idea. Marketing has to deliver these values to whom? To the customer. Very, very important, friends. You talk in terms of maximize customer value, which is very important equation. And the equation customer cost of switching to what? Customer cost of thinking. You increase what? The customer cost of switching. And what is this cost of switching? Fears. Various types of prices what the customer has to pay when you switch from what? One brand to another brand. You increase this cost of switching. And on the other hand, reduce the cost of what? Thinking. Decision should be very evident before the customer. ये वाला brand, ये brand, ये brand, ये brand. Comparative advertising. Decision is very clear. Reduce the cost of thinking, increase the cost of switching. You really are providing what value to the customer. A new customer equation, which I thought I should definitely give you. Otherwise, we used to talk in terms of benefits divided by price. Sorry, now it is what? Cost of switching versus what? Cost of thinking. Make thinking process very, very simple. Yeah, branding I think is again very, very important. Everything has to be branded, friends. Wo dena, kya dena, wo dena. But what is that wo dena? It is nothing but call it by its name. And therefore, friends, if we talk in FedEx, we talk of reliability, we talk in terms of Nike, we say athlete in you talk in terms of Gap, Affordable Fashion, Singapore Airlines, Star Airlines. What about USMS, University School of Management Studies? So we did the research, friends, and branding USMS. We say, love your own school, USMS. And what is this love? The first love that you are going to have is nothing but what? This school provides you learning. It provides you opportunities. It gives you values. It teaches you what? How to be ethical. And if this is what we are trying to talk in terms of the punchline as a brand, friends, I think people will start loving. And that is very important. Somebody asked how the cigarette can be branded. And there was a person who said, let me brand my cigarette as A1, ask for it by name. A1 Dena cigarette. And that is how that we are talking in terms of create a brand, create a differentiation. I think we have to move the customers from what? Satisfaction to what? Delightment, just to make them loyal. I just wanted to show you one very important slide. And if you look in for this slide, I think I have just shown out over here. There are 2 types of zones, one called as what? Competition zone, another is called as non-competition zone. And friends, if you are in a position to make your customers really what? Loyal, I think you are moving yourself into what? Non-competitive zone. So think of loyalty. Think of retaining your customers. And that is very, very important as compared to what? Satisfaction. What is satisfaction? When results are equal to expectations. And what is delightment, friends? What is loyalty? When results are more than what? Expectations. So exceed the expectations of your customers. You will be loving marketeer, friends, in the marketplace. Pro-consumption is there. Now customers want that everything should be designed by us, should be produced by us, thanks to Dell computers and thanks to many other organizations who are providing what? Configuration facility to whom? To the customer. And they say everything is customized to the requirements of what? The customer. I think I have to be fast, friends. I think what are the important things, I'll just move on to that. Yeah, this is very important. Technological advances. Do you feel there are some advantages with regards to technology? I think everybody is carrying what? The smartphones with them. Thanks to technology, friends. Very soon you are going to see one app which is going to be used with the help of Bluetooth, where every gadget in your house can be operated, opened and closed using what? The Bluetooth. And with a simple device called as what? Your own smartphone. Thanks to those days. We are going to be staying over there in cottages which are going to be electronic cottages. So they are not going to be houses, friends. They are going to be what are called as electronic cottages. The third wave which is going to come in our country, friends. Continuing social economic shifts are causing marketing changes. Do you feel there are a lot of changes over there in the society? Yes, everybody has become demanding. Everybody is knowledgeable now. And therefore, for that particular reason, there is a need for connecting. And what is this connections, friend? If you look in for 3 types of connections are there. Connecting with customers, very, very important. You have to really connect with their minds. My wavelength is exactly at the same frequency as the wavelength of the customer. That is what we are talking of connecting. So you have to connecting with the marketing partners, friend. You really have to have what? Your partners as what? Partners in progress. You have to connect with what? With the world around you, friends. Can you afford to remain unconnected with the outside world? Sorry, friends. Because now we are talking of global village. So these 3 connections you have to do. I don't have time, friends, just to explain. I'll be leaving this presentation out over here. You can look in for these connections are very important. I proceed further. Internet is used as a marketing tool. I proceed further. What are the benefits? I'm not touching all those things. Yeah, this is again important, friends. Companies need foresight, not what? Insight. They have to think for the future. That is very important. What we are trying to do in marketing is not to change minds, but to take the advantage of perceptions. Very, very important. Marketing is all about perceptions. There are really only 3 types of marketeers on this earth, friends. One are the type of the marketeers who make the things. Yeah, this I have already said. I think perception. Marketing is not battle of products, it's battle of what? Perception. देश का नमक, टाटा नमक. And जो वो लोग जो देश से प्यार करते हैं, वो कुछ और नहीं खाएंगे, कोई और नमक नहीं लेंगे. क्यों? They have learned this perception from marketing. देश का नमक, टाटा नमक. And that is how exactly marketing is all basically teaching whom? The customers, right? That is what we have to understand. I leave this story. These are some of the buzzwords I thought let me try to share. Buzz marketing, brand boggling. We talk in terms of consumer generated media, product placements. What are these product placements? Covert advertising or called as what? Stealth marketing, right? We talk in terms of viral marketing, we talk of guerrilla marketing, conversation marketing, grassroots, evangelist, referral, influencer. I think it is what? Meta marketing world, friends, right? Marketing is now increasing from what? From one small dimension to what? Lot of dimensions, right? I think all these things I thought, but time is not there. I'll not basically touch it. Experiential marketing, provision marketing. I think all these things are coming up today. Buzz marketing, you talk of. Evangelist marketing, I have already said, right? Cultivating advocates who volunteer. It's like a viral only. Then we talk of green marketing, we talk of social marketing. I think marketing is endless, right? To think of anything, we are talking in terms of what? Marketing. But has to be socially desirable. Our speaker, as one of the speakers has already said, whatever we do, we should always try to give respect to whom? To the culture of the society, right? That is very important. Blog marketing, social networking, brand leveraging, all these words I think we are trying to use over there in this field of marketing, friends. And now the new field which is coming is marketing 3.0. We had marketing 1.0, we have marketing 2.0, now we are moving into what called as marketing 3.0, right? And if you look into marketing 3.0, it is trying to make the whole marketing field to change in terms of what 3 important dimensions are emerging in marketing 3.0, collaborative marketing, cultural marketing, and spiritual marketing. And this is how exactly the whole field of marketing is changing, friends. And I think these are very important. In the last slide, I just would like to say, these are the 4 areas which we have to understand. Create an awareness. कितने लोग हैं जो इस एरिया में महाराज अग्रसेन के बारे में जानते हैं? अवेयरनेस नहीं है तो वो आगे मार्केटिंग नहीं होगा. So first thing in marketing is to create an awareness. Second is talk in terms of acceptability. Then we talk about affordability. And finally, we talk in terms of accessibility. If you're looking for this equation, the market value potential is just a product of all these 4 A's. इसमें से अगर कोई भी एक 100% से कम हो जाएगा तो product क्या होगा? It will be less than what? 100%. So make all these 4 things 100%, you will see your value potential as what? 100%. So marketing is pure science, friends. Although we say when we practice marketing, we really are what? Articulative in nature. But otherwise, the whole body of marketing is pure scientific in nature. Now, these are few of the things. Recognize growing customer empowerment. Yeah, customers are trying to become what? Really demanding. They have a lot of demands, friend. We really need to understand. Develop a focus offering to what are the target market. Your offering has to be focused. I have already said create a niche for you. And that is very important. Design the marketing from the customer back. Don't design anything if the customer does not want. But if the customer wants, make the product available to whom? To the customer. What is the reason customers are not interested to buy a dishwasher in the house? Tell me. Dishwasher is very famous over there in the foreign countries, but not popular over here in India. What is the basic reason? Because the home lady out over here cannot afford to remove the maid from the house. कॉलोनी की सारी बातें, पड़ोस के घर में क्या हो रहा है, क्या सब्जी बनी है, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलती है? मेड से मिलती है. जब तक मेड रहेगी घर में नहीं आएगा what dishwasher. I am just finishing it off. Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine, no problem. Yeah. So the time, like all times, is a good one, friends. And the last what I like to say, if we know, but know what to do with it. And what is the time, friends? I have just concluded this with one small lesson for all of us over here. Become high tech and what? High touch. In this technology, don't lose your touch with whom? With their customers. So those marketeers who are going to be technology marketeers, but on the same hand, they are going to be in touch with whom? With their customers, are definitely going to be successful. Thank you very much, friends. I could not understand whether I could deliver something or not. Thank you.